Hello, and welcome to the Thompson Rivers University's co-op posting tutorial. This tutorial is for co-op job postings only. If you're looking for a regular job posting tutorial, that is featured in a separate video. From the home page, click on the Job sidebar and then Job Postings. Once there, scroll down until you see the Post a Job button. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to post to only this school or multiple schools on the Simplicity network. Please note that the network posting option will have fees attached. Ignore the Copy Existing dropdown for now. It will be moved as soon as you select a co-op position type. Please select either co-op or Indigenous co-op for the position type. Next, please select the work term that this job will be in. Now you can copy a previous co-op that you have posted, if you have posted one before. If you do copy a position, please double check the information to make sure that it is up to date. If you did not copy an existing position, you'll now need to choose the program of study that the position is in. Afterwards, you have to select the desired start date. This date should be the start of a semester, which usually falls around January 6th, May 6th, or September 6th. You can also press the select button to select the date from a calendar. You will also need to supply the duration of the work term. Work terms are split up into 4-month segments, so the length of the work term must be a multiple of 4. Next is the job title. The title must be 60 characters or less. Now you'll need to create the job description. This will likely be the longest part. At the top of the box, you will find various tools to help you format the description. Additionally, if you find you are running out of room, you can expand the text box by dragging down the triangle symbol under the bottom right corner. After, you need to set the number of openings. If you set the number to 0, it will not be shown to students. The qualifications are the next thing you need to set. If you require more room, you can drag down the triangle in the bottom right-hand corner. Opportunities for learning is also a very important field, where you will enter what learning outcomes you expect the co-op student to take away. This can also be expanded by dragging down the bottom right-hand corner. You will also need to include your employer email. Next comes the resume receipts. You can choose to have them sent to your email, accumulate on our website, or include instructions on how to apply on your website. The email option will default to the employer email you used to create your account. If you are including a URL in the How to Apply section, please make sure to include the HTTP or HTTPS in the address. This text box can also be expanded by dragging down the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, you can set any additional documents that you wish to include. These can be cover letters, unofficial transcripts, writing samples, and other documents. Below, you can also set the instructions for the requested documents. This is also required if you want a document that falls under the Other Documents category. The posting date also needs to be set, as well as the end date. If the end date is more than 180 days away from the start date, it will be automatically adjusted when you submit it to fall within this time limit. You can also use the select button to set the date from a calendar. After, there's a bar that you can enter skills into. Once text is entered, you will see a pop-up that contains a list of skills. You can select up to 10 skills from this menu. Next, you need to set the salary level, though if you are unsure or do not want to advertise it, you can enter TBD or to be decided. Finally, you need to enter the location. However, if it is nationwide, you can just enter the country. Finally, you need to hit the submit button. Thank you for using our service and watching this video. We hope to begin working with you shortly.